Anushka.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing today?
So I'm doing well. What about you?
I am absolutely okay as always. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah, Anushka, please introduce yourself or tell us something about yourself.
So my name is Anushka Kanwal. I am from Karantyag, Chamoli. Recently, I passed my 12th from GGIC Karantyag, and now I'm preparing to get a college in medical field. And yeah, this is all about me.
All right, great. And Anushka, what do you think about importance of English language? Do you think English is important these days, especially for the students or youth of Uttarakhand?
Yes, sir. I think English is very important because it is demanding language in modern age, and it is most used language in um, technology field, educational field, and every every field in competitive and uh,
Yeah, I
and
got your point.
yes, sir. And
All right. And in your opinion, what is success? What do you think? How does success look like, in your opinion?
So if I want to express success in one word, that one word will be a satisfaction, because I think whatever we do in our life, we do it for our for to make our life comfortable and simple and make facilities for ourselves. And success is something that you have to do for yourself, and something you have to do to define you, and uh, um, define you, and no one can do for you. And some success is something success can be accomplishment and progression. And so I'm getting so I can take time. I'm getting
Yeah,
slow.
yes, sure, sure, sure.
So
Yes. So what I have got from you is success is satisfaction. If you have to express it in one word, right?
yes, sir. So
So you
I
want to.
think yes, sir. So I think whatever we do in our life, we do it for us to make our life comfortable, simple, and facilities for ourselves. And success is could be a something that that we that you have to define for yourself. And some success is could being a accomplishment and progression, and it can be a able the thing that you love. And if you're not happy and satisfied with your goal and your progress, that means you are not successful. So this is, I think that if a person is satisfied with his life and his goal, that means he is a successful. And
Right,
I'm
right, great.
successful too.
Right. If you're not satisfied with your life and you have a great job or you have gathered so many things, so there is no point of having all these things, right?
Yes,
If you're not
sir.
satisfied. Great. I really loved your answer. So, can you please share one of the most memorable moments of your life so far?
So I haven't such a most memorable moment, but there's a moment that I never want to forget, and that moment is wedding of my bua. And I was so young that time, and it is most memorable for me because that time my whole family was together with me, and my uncle, my aunt, my cousins, and everyone in my family. And there's also my grandparents who are no more in this world, and I miss them, and I miss that moment too, because that was the last time when we are happily together.
All right, great. Nice to hear that. All right. And when did this incident happen? It's been how long back?
So when I was in sixth standard, that time this event happened.
All right, great. And is there anything that annoys you or disturbs you? And
So
if there is such
there's
thing,
no
how do you get out of it?
yes, sir. So there is no such thing like this, but I feel sometimes very low when I'm able to do something, but I don't know how to do it. And this kind of situation makes me panic and feel me very upset. And but whenever I got stuck this kind of situation, I just take a deep breath and think for a while for a solution. And I don't worry about I don't worry about the result after completing the task in any way.
All right, great.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
Anushka, and now I want to know about the classes that you have been part of for so many months now. So,
Yes.
for how long have you been part of the classes conducted by Uttarakhand Uthan Prayogshala?
So I have been part of these classes since very beginning when Lokesh sir started it from Karanprayag, GGIC Karanprayag back in May 2020. But due to COVID, I couldn't take further physical classes. But I started taking online classes more, and I took firstly classes from Manju ma'am for only 2 months, and then now I'm taking classes from you. And overall, now I'm part of these classes. I have been part of these classes more than 4 and 5 months.
All right, yeah. So it's been about 5 months overall. You have been part of these classes. Great. And what changes have you experienced after joining these classes?
So I'm very happy. So I'm very happy after joining these classes. I see a lot of differences in myself, and these classes boost my confidence. And the thing is that I was a person who had a lot of difficulties to understand people and connect with them, and I always got stuck with my ideas. And I was get so difficult to express myself and express my thoughts. But now I'm trying to change things around and change things around and try to talk with people openly and try to understand them. I know it will take time, and everyone gets perfect after a lot of efforts, and I will be too. And I know the past version of mine who has that is so proud of how far I have come. So yeah.
Great. And I also want to know, have these classes helped you in your academic domain as well?
Yes, sir. These classes have helped me a lot in my education. I learned so much things from these classes, and I improved my grammar as well. And I'm preparing for exams, entrance exams now to get a good college. So these classes will help me to get a good marks in exam. And I want to thank you and Uttarakhand Uthan Prayogshala for these classes, because whatever I am able to do is just because of you.
That's great. Thank you so much. We are grateful, to have a student like you. And one last question for you. Just imagine that there are so many students, especially from Uttarakhand. They are watching you right now. So, what message would you want to convey to them?
So I just want to say that opportunities don't come often, and we don't take them seriously at first and regret it later. So it is better to take it opportunities than regret. And I just want to say that to those students who not join yet, please join as soon as possible and take a full benefit of these classes, because these classes are totally free, and teachers teaches you from level 0. And the best thing is Uttarakhand Uthan Prayogshala is not only with their children's as long as they're teaching, but till the children achieve their goals.
All right, great. Yeah, you said it right. It's not just about the duration of the course of 4 or 5 months. Even after that, if the students need any kind of help, the support staff has always been there with the students.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Anushka, it was absolutely great talking to you. I can see the changes in you from last month up to now, because until last month you were not able to, you were not expressing yourself. I know you have the potential, but you are not expressing yourself. Today I can see the smile on your face, and smile is the symbol of confidence. Trust me, because if you are
Yes.
not able to smile, doesn't matter how much you know, smile speaks a lot about you, and I really liked that. Thank you so much for your time, and now let's meet on Monday at 5 p.m. All right.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
so much. Bye bye for now. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir.